Hello everyone, today we will discuss few questions which are asked in CSIR NET, GATE and IIT JAM, okay, in chemical science. So let's talk about first of all we suggest that please join us in this practice session. My name is Sivaprasad Maiti. I am pass out in M.sc Chemistry, okay, and so let's talk about and don't any time loss, okay. Now first of all we talk about the few organometallic chemistry like this, okay. The number of metal bond in compounds, okay. So let's talk about the number of, we know that metal number of metal bond formula equals to 18 into n minus of total valence electron count, okay, divide by 2. First of all we calculate the total valence electron, okay, count. We know that CO2 cobalt Fe2 and CO11 and mu4 pph whole twice 2, okay. So 1 minute. One second, 1 minute. Now we talk about the total valence electron count. Total valence electron count is cobalt has, okay, cobalt has 79 electrons and 2 cobalts are there plus, so Fe has Fe 8, total valence electron 8 and 2 plus cobalt CO, carbon monoxide, have 2 electron count and 11 to total of 11 CO, okay, present and mu. So ppH3 has 4 into whole dice 2, okay. So 18 plus 16 plus 22 and 8, okay. So that is 30 34 plus 30 equals to 64, okay. So now total valence electron bond is 64, metal bond, that means 18 into total number of metal, okay, metal n equals to number of metal present in complex, okay. So now n is number of metals are there, 2 and 2 equals to 4, okay. So that's why 4 into 18 minus total valence electrons is 64, okay, divide by 2. So the 72 and 64 divide by 2, okay, 72 divide by 72, that means 18, okay, 18 by 2, that is 4, okay. Number of metals bonds have, total number of bonds have 4, okay, that is the right answer. Now next question, the identify the species those obey the 18 electrons rules from the following complex, okay, following those complex, which one are 18 electrons rule follow. We know that the 18 electrons rules, which compounds are follow, and those compounds are more stable, okay, according to 18 electrons, and according to 16 electrons rules also, okay. So now first of all, how to 18 electron rules counts, okay, total valence electron count, we consider A, okay. A has copper has total number of number of electrons 11, okay, 11 plus, and that is Cp, okay, Cp mu 5, that is electron count has 5, okay, plus carbon monoxide has 2 count, okay. Total number of electrons has 11, 16 plus 2, that is 18 electrons, okay, that is also 18 electrons rule counted, consider, okay. B, now Mn Mn has 5 and 7, okay, 7 electrons, and Cp also 5 plus 2 into 2, 2 means carbon monoxide, and so 12 plus 4, it is 16 electrons, not 18 electrons, okay. Now see chromium has 4 into 2, 4 plus 2 matlab 6 plus 5 plus 4 3 into 2, okay, 6 11 plus 6, that is 17 electrons count. D has vanadium 3 5 5 in 5 plus 5, and total number of 4 into 2, okay, 10 plus 8, that is 18 electrons rules, okay. So that's why we know that we see that the A and D also, A and D has 18 electrons rule follow. Okay, and B and C not. Okay, so option number A and B, that is incorrect. So A and D, that is correct. B and C all are correct. Okay, so now next question. Okay, next question is, it is a point group, consider the C3V. Okay, that is symmetry of reducible representation. The character table of C3V and C3V point group is provide below along the with additional reducible representation. So we know that the orthogonal theorem, okay, x a1 equals to 1 by order that is h. Okay, that is h x1 into mu1 into a. Okay, that is x is the number of characters. Okay, characters there. So now we consider the a1 x a1. Okay, that is e has 1. Okay, and a1, that is character 1 into, and reducible representations is, okay, reducible 6 plus, okay, plus 2, this 2, okay, 2 into, that is 1 into reducible representation 0, plus similarly 3 into 1 into 2. Okay, divide by order. Okay, divide by order. Divide by 1 by order. Order means order number of point group has present. Okay, E and 2 C3 and 3 sigma V. Okay, so total number of 5, 1, 3 to 5 and 1 and 6. So total number of order is 6. So that's why the 6 plus 0 plus 6, okay, 1 by 6, 12 by 6 into 6, okay, 12 by 6, okay. So equals to 2. Number of A element is 2. Okay. Now similarly A2, count it. Okay. A2 equals to 1 into 1 into number of reducible representation 6, that is 6 plus 2 into 0 into 1, that is 3 into minus 1 into 2, okay, that is 6, and divide by 1 by 6, okay, that is order 6 plus 0 minus 6, so that is 0 by 6, that means 0, okay, x e, that is x e. So x e has e1 into 2 into reducible representation 6, okay, plus 2 into minus 1 character minus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 0 into 2 divide by 6, okay. So 12 plus 0 plus 6, okay, sorry, it is 0, that is 0, okay. So 1 by 6 equals to 12 by 6, that is 6 a 2, okay. That means all the reducible additional reducible representation is, firstly we consider that 2a1 0 and 6, sorry, it is 2a2, okay. Finally we see that the reducible representation mu I r equals to 2a1 0 plus 2a2, that is 2a1 plus 2a2. So sorry, a2 not a2, that is e na, okay. So 2e, that is 2e, okay. So final answer is not a2, that is wrong answer, this is wrong answer, this is right answer, okay, a1 and okay. Thank you, okay, thank you so much. If you have any query, you can ask in comment section, okay. I help you, so please join us and share all your friends, okay. So lots more question, please subscribe and please join us our channel, that is help we help us CSIR NET GATE IIT JAM, okay, regarding this entrance examination like M.sc, okay. We can solve those questions yourself, that is help us, that is helpful for your preparation, okay. Thank you so much.